Hey guys, so there's a baby lamb in the barn, but before I show you the lamb, I'm going to show you what's in my lambing kit. Okay, so we have some paint, just to mark them if it starts to get into where I don't know who's mom and baby. Shouldn't have a problem with her, she's just one. I have a syringe for the Nutri-Drench, because it doesn't have a squirt lid. I just give them a squirt of this every day. I have the umbilical cord scissors. Hers is pretty short and she's not brand new, so I probably won't use that. I have Tridyne. Always dip their umbilical cords with it. It's really good for them. And then have lube in case I need to go in, and gloves. That's about it. But I'm gonna definitely show y'all the baby, because who doesn't want to see the baby? So yeah, but right now I'm filling up her water to give her some water. I just found her this morning. Now I'm be late for church because I have to take care of my lamb. But yeah, I'll show her to you in a minute. See her, guys. She's so perfect. It's a little ewe lamb. She's beautiful. See, look, just like mama. My lamb and barrel's in here. Water, hay for her. I'm gonna give her some feed in a minute, but I wanted to go ahead and dip her umbilical cord, just because she's been a little wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and I can show you guys. So come here, baby. Let me go ahead and get some cat. Open the good. Get my first lamb of the season. Pour a little bit into the cap. Grab a set of lamb. Get my lamb. Okay, now I just take the cap. Just reach under here. And dip her little cord in it. I don't know why I poured so much in the cap, but yep, that's all you do. Happy, healthy little baby. Now, I can work gloves. I'm gonna go to church with orange hands. I don't really care though, she's adorable. You wanna watch me give some Nutri-Drench? Come on, baby. That's enough. You don't give them a lot, it's a little bit. Especially since she's just not eating milk. Gosh dang, why do I get everything on me? Come here, baby. Do that. There you go. As long as I get some of it, that's all that really matters. I'll give her more tomorrow anyways. Here, Mama. Alright. That's pretty much all that I do. Give them hay, set up the heater for them, water, feed. I'll still give her feed. Get it moved, and they'll stay in here for a day, maybe 2 days. Yep. Cute little lamb. Now I need name suggestions because I don't know what to name her. First of all, I have to decide if I'm going to keep her or not. But I'll probably decide. Probably give them all like playful names. Then I'll decide if I'm keeping them or not. If I'm keeping them, their name has to begin with a P. Because that's my only rule. So all of my sheep girls are named with a P. So yeah. Say bye, baby. Say, I'm the first one. Say bye.